I'm Matt Roberts. I'm with American Construction Supply, and we're here at World of Concrete 2023. We're here with John. He's going to show us a little bit about tilt-up inserts.
I'm John Hankenoff. I'm the Director of Product Engineering with Dayton Superior, and today we have our T6B brace insert. So with this product, what you get with this product is a bolt that comes pre-installed into the insert, and that gets cast into the concrete with the insert itself. When you're ready to access your brace insert, you would remove your void from there, exposing the bolt head, and you can loosen that out and have direct access to it. So what this allows you to do is it takes the guesswork out of what bolt connection you need on the job site. A lot of peace of mind and a lot of reassurance to the contractor and the specifying engineer.
So John, what sets you apart from anybody else in the industry?
Well, here at Dayton Superior, we offer a wide variety of tilt-up products, solutions, and services. So we're really a one-stop shop for all your tilt-up solutions. From bar supports to lifting and bracing to chemical finishes, we can provide it all.
If you have any questions about Dayton Superior's products, feel free to reach out to an American Construction Supply representative.